Magandang araw nga sa inyo mga Engineer Packs. Ngayong araw nga ay naghahanda ka ng aming sarili para sa pupuntahan naming okasyon. Okasyon kung saan meron kaming gaganaping panunumpa bilang isang professional. Dahil po ako ay nakapasa ngayon bilang isang civil engineer. So kami ay naghanda at pupunta kami ngayon sa PICC kung saan gaganapin ang panunumpa bilang isang professional. At ayun nga po, nagbook na nga po kami ng sasakyan papunta sa PICC. At ito nga ay natatanaw ko na po ang PICC or Philippine International Convention Center. Ito, kasalukuyan nga po kami naglalakad papunta sa main entrance. Kasama ko nga po pala ang aking nanay, girlfriend at ang aking kapatid. Ayun nga at sobrang init habang kami ay naglalakad dito sa labas ng PICC. Pero iba ang saya at tuwa ng aking mga pamilya. After nga po namin pumasok sa main gate ng PICC at pumila na nga po kami agad dito sa main entrance ng PICC. Grabe, sobrang dami talagang nakapila dito. Halos nakabarong lahat. Ako lang ay nakakoat. Kami naman mga po ay pumila na. At kami nga pala ay pumila na ni mama at naiiwan yung dalawa sa labas. After nga namin pumasok sa main entrance, dito na naman may pila na naman tayo papunta sa Bulwagan. Pero iba talaga ang pakiramdam kapag dito ka na sa loob. Sobrang lamig dito sa loob, parang nasa mall. Ito na nga, naglalakad na naman kami ni mama papunta naman dun sa bagong pipilahan namin papunta dun sa pinakaloob. At ito nga, nagpila na kami ni mama at ito sobrang haba na naman ang pila. Pero at least na ang araw natin bilang isang professional. Ito na nga, after na namin pumila is nag-ayos-ayos na ako ng aking sarili para medyo gwapo-gwapo naman tayo ng konti. Ayun, after nga ng ilang oras is pinapasok na kami sa mismong bulwagan sa gaganaping panunumpa. At yun, nagkaroon nga po ng 4 na pila. 2 pila para sa parents or guests at 2 pila naman sa mga civil engineers. Excited na nga ako dahil may kita ko ngayon ang mga 3 examiners na gumawa ng aming board exam na napakahigit. At ito, naglalakad-lakad na nga po kami papunta sa loob ng PICC. Ang inyong engineer packs nga po pala ay nakaschedule sa pang 3rd batch ng oras ay 3 to 5. Habang kami nga po ay naglalakad ay meron pong namibigay ng booklet para sa aming panunumpa or o-taking bilang isang civil engineer. Ang laman nga po pala ng booklet is yung program mismo sa loob, mga names ng mga guest speaker magsasalita sa loob at kaming mga board passers. Ayan nga, at medyo binilisan na namin ang lakad papunta sa loob dahil sobrang excited na ang bawat isa. At ito na nga, after nga namin makapaghanap ng aming mauupuan, agad na nga po nagsimula ang program at ito, pinakilala na nga sa amin ang mga nag-top. At pagkatapos nga tawagin lahat ng top notchers at ang sumunod po ay ang ating mga examiners or gumawa ng ating exam. Sila po ay 3. Ang una-una po ay si Sir Dakay ng MSTE or Mathematics, Surveying, Transportation, and Engineering and Construction. At sumunod po si Dr. Estaniero ng HGE or Hydraulics Geotechnical Engineering. At ang huli naman po ay si Ma'am Roxedes Bernardo na pinaka-aabangan ng lahat dahil siya po ang pinakamahirap sa lahat ng 3 topic sa board exam. Ang hawak niya po ay PSAD, Principle of Structural Analysis and Design. At ito na nga po ang mga kaganapan sa loob.
Engineering. Dr. Dake, please. Engineer Emil Sadayan, Senior Undersecretary to the Department of Public Works and Highways, and our National President of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, Engineer Praxedes Bernardo, Chair of the Professional Board of Civil Engineering, Dr. Romy Istanero, my fellow member of the Board of Civil Engineering, our newly minted professional civil engineers who will take their oath of profession this afternoon, your proud parents and loved ones, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good afternoon. Welcome to this rite of passage. Embrace the significance of this moment and the solemnity of this occasion, as this milestone marks the beginning of your professional life as a duly licensed civil engineer. Welcome to our civil engineering profession, made sacred by the ordinary small things and the everyday deeds done in an extraordinary way, and ennobled by the true heroism of finishing each task with excellence. For at the end of the day, it is not the forces of nature that you conquer, but yourself. Welcome, dear parents. You are the moving spirit and the caring heart of the how and why these young professionals came to be. How you raise them is a singular validation and the living testament of the sanctity of family and the virtues and the values associated with such. And for this, we in the civil engineering profession are grateful to you, dear parents, beyond measure. Today, you will also be inducted as a member of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, and with it, the responsibilities and privileges of membership. You must realize that our profession is a community of persons, and that you are at its core and center. Every civil engineer must have the opportunity to use his or her intelligence, training, and tools to develop initiatives while nurturing relationships with each other. Welcome to our profession's only accredited professional organization, which provides the vehicle for convergence and allows us to see our profession's development in a very cohesive and systematic way. Of paramount importance thereof is your participation and your sincere commitment to integrated personal and professional development. As you lead and live your life forward, today's oath-taking rites will become a thing of the past and become a part of your storehouse of memories. Today, you are investing in the memory of a solemn oath, for you to be reminded and for you to remember by. It is our fervent hope and prayer that someday you will look back and understand the sum and substance of what your oath stands for, and that you stood by it faithfully, with firmness and rectitude. We wish you success in all of your endeavors. May you create memories that will never go thin and fade, even with too much regret. Congratulations and our best wishes. Thank you. host muna.
After nga po niyan ay pinangunahan po ni Ma'am Praxedes ang aming oath or panunumpa bilang isang professional. At ito na nga, pinatayo na nga kami at inayos-ayos ko ang aking camera.
Otherwise, I will be the one that you are in. So on the first blank, your name. On the second blank, your address. Please raise your right hand. I,
Mark Edward Proctor,
bakit bumubulo? Of, bumubulong pa rin.
hereby
Solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that I will support
that I will support
and defend
and defend
the Constitution
the Constitution
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will bear
that I will bear
true faith
true faith
and allegiance
and allegiance
to the same,
to the same,
that I will
obey
the laws,
legal orders,
and decrees
promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities
by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I
and that I
impose
impose
these
these obligations
upon myself
voluntarily,
without mental reservation
or
purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places
that at all times and places
I will adhere closely
and I will adhere closely
to
the ethical
and professional rules
generally accepted
by the civil engineering profession
in the Philippines.
and
I
will
well
and
faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the
duties, responsibilities,
and
obligations
incumbent upon
a
a
legally authorized
civil engineer practitioner.
civil engineer practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. Papa, Mama, hindi na ako hihingi ng allowance. Papa, Mama, hindi na ako magsisinungaling kung ba't ako ginagabi ng buwit. Okay, you can say anything to them. Say, I love you. You call your papa, your mama, your lola, your partners, spouses. Mahiyain eh.
Hindi makita. Thank you, Ma.
In behalf of my colleagues, I would like to thank the parents most especially. I won't forget my own parents who supported me in my education despite being immersed in poverty, just to bring me to a higher educational institution. I can never forget their relentless effort in giving me support financially, socially, religiously. So I think to show our appreciation to the love that our parents have given to us, let us give them another round of applause.
After nga po magsalita ng huling tagapagsalita na si Dr. Estaniero ay ito na po ang nangyari. Yun, after nga lahat matapos ang program, agad na kaming nagpa-picture-picture sa mga examiners. After nga niyan ay tumayo na ako sa upuan at hinanap ko na agad si mama. Tapos po ako nagpapasalamat, especially kay Lord syempre sa nagbigay sa akin ng karunungan during review days hanggang sa mag-board exam sa paggabay niya sa akin. Syempre, hindi ko to maaabot kung wala ang ating Panginoon. At ka na mama at papa, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng inyong sakripisyo sa pagpapaaral sa akin at sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin. Dahil ito na naman ang oras na hindi kayo nagkamali ng pagpapalaki sa akin. Tama ng kadramahan, bago mahuli ang lahat, nagpapasalamat din ako sa aking mga tito at tita at lola nagbibigay sa akin ng baon during review days hanggang sa mag-board exam. At sa pinakahuli, sa aking pinaka-special na tao sa buhay, ang aking girlfriend. Babe, thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa lahat sa pagsama sa akin sa ups and downs ko sa buhay ko. Kahit walang-wala pa ako at ngayon at magkakameron na ako. At ito na ang simula para pumawi na naman sa inyo. At kung ikaw man ay napadaan sa aking channel na ito, maraming salamat sa matyagang pakikinood ng aking content.